Hey lovely people, it's Iana here, and I'm showing you guys how I am doing my nails at home using the Salon Kiss Dip Powder system. So here it says you don't need a UV light, there's no odor, the color lasts 2 weeks, and it's easy soak off. Alright, so let's open the kit and see what's inside here. I have the base gel, the top gel coat, the brush softener, the activator, the dip powder, and here's the dip powder opened. I got the color Liaison. You also get in the kit a file, the dip powder container, 2 extra brushes, a manicure stick, and a sponge. Also, we cannot forget the instructions. Alright, so we're going to get started with my bare nails. I'm using my natural nails today. I'm going to start by pushing my cuticles back with the manicure pick. Then I'm going to start cleaning my nail bed with the other side of the manicure stick. I have a lot of residue from the last dip powder, so I'm just going to get all of that off. Next, I'm going to buff my nails so that all my nails are even, so that the application can go on evenly. And you're just going to want to brush away any excess. Next, I'm going to file my nails in a square shape, but you can file them in any shape that you want. And here's what they look like all filed and shaped. Now what I'm going to do is just go over my nails with some acetone to remove any of the excess oils that I have on my nails. Alright, let's get the dip in. Now I just put some paper down here because it can get really messy. So I'm going to take my dip powder and empty it into the tray. Then I'm going to go over my nails with the base coat. And once you've done that, you want to just quickly dip your nail into the powder in an angle. And after taking out your nail, you want to just brush off some of the excess of the powder. Then what we're going to do is go ahead and put a second coat of the base. And then you're going to brush it off, and you're going to repeat the same steps for the rest of your nails. Okay, and this is what my nails look like after applying dip to all of my nails. I'm just going to brush any of the excess powder off. Next, I'm going to apply the activator, and you want to just liberally apply the activator to each nail. Just wait about 1 minute for them to harden. Now they look a little lumpy now, but don't worry, we're going to get them all the way together. So what we're going to do is just buff the nail until it's nice and smooth and until all the ends and edges are even. I just tore up this whole nail file, as you can see. Honestly, I would really recommend a electronic nail file. You can get them real cheap on Amazon. Okay, here's after I fully buffed and filed my nails down. Next, you're going to want to apply a second layer of the activator. Now I'm just wiping off any of the leftover activator with a clean cotton. Now for the final step, the top gel. I'm going to apply 1 coat of top gel to each nail. To prevent my cuticles from drying out, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. And we are done. How gorgeous are these? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.